Okay, we're going to try to resolve your comment problem. I don't know if this will fix it or not, but this is the first thing to try, and if it doesn't work after a couple of tries, maybe I'll just come down to Cameron or come up to Cameron in a couple of weeks and early one morning, and you and I can get together, and I'll run a few tests on your computer, make sure everything's updated and stuff like that. Maybe make a few suggestions to you, clean it out. Make it try to make it speed up a little bit. Probably take us, I don't know, maybe half a day. Hopefully we get it done in the morning time, one morning. And if it's updated, that'll take a while, and a couple things will take several hours, but you can do that later. So we're going to start this morning to try to clean the cache and delete the cookies. Okay, as you can see, I've got the desktop on with all the icons. That's what you want to start with. So turn your computer on and bring up this page here. Now, we're going to go straight to the browser. So I use the Google Chrome browser, and that's not what you use, but this is the one I use, and it's the one you should be using. But again, the browser is, you know, I don't have to tell you some of this stuff, you know it. It's the browser, it's this line up here, you know, where your favorites list is and stuff like that, okay? Now, let's close this out because this is Chrome. Like I said, you should be using this. Go back to the desktop. Now, I'm going to bring up Internet Explorer. That's your browser. You probably have an icon over here somewhere that says Internet Explorer, and that's how you open up everything. But I don't have that, so I have to go down here to the menu, down here at the bottom, and go to my menu down here and find Internet Explorer. And there's my Internet Explorer right there. It says Internet Explorer. Can you see that? Internet Explorer. Alright. Internet Explorer. We're going to open that up. Okay, here again, this is your browser up here at the top. Okay. And you want to go over here till you see the little gear icon. See that little gear icon right there? Alright, you want to press that. And the menu opens up. Now, I need to check one thing, so go all the way to the bottom where you see About Internet Explorer. Right there. Now, click this, and you're going to get a menu that comes up right here in the center of the screen. See? Now, this will tell me if your computer is updated. You see right there it says version 11. 0.996 or something, 9600. Okay, that'll tell me if your internet browser is updated to the current version. And I'll also, by knowing if it's number 11, I'll kind of know if the rest of your computer is updated. Okay? And you see that check in that box right there? It says install new versions automatically. That box ought to be checked. Install new versions automatically. That box should be checked. Okay, now close this out. Okay, now go back up here to the gear. Okay, go back up here to the gear. Open it up again and bring that menu down. Now all the way to the second to the bottom, you see Internet Options. Internet Options. Click that. Okay, over here on the left hand top, a menu will appear. Alright, can you see that? Right there. Alright. Now, you want to go to about 2/3 of the way down the page where it says Browsing History. Browsing History. Okay? There's a delete button right there. You want to hit that. Okay, another menu comes up. In the same place, different menu. And you want the first box checked, second box checked, the third box checked, the fourth box checked, and then the last 4 boxes, or last 5 boxes, do not check those. So just check preserve favorite websites, temporary internet files, cookies, and website data, and history. Alright, now when you got those checked, there's a delete at the bottom. You want to hit delete. Alright? Now, when it's completed the task, there'll be a little, it's hard to see, a little banner ad that comes right here at the bottom of the screen. And it'll say, Internet Explorer has finished deleting several browsing histories. Alright? Now, once that's done, go back up here to the corner where the menu is and close that out. Alright? Now, next thing, close out your browser. So go back over here to the corner at the top where the red X is and hit it. And your screen will go back to just your icons. Now, you want to turn your computer off, wait about a minute, turn your computer back on. And then I want you to go to your internet, open your browser like you normally would to find Laywell Front or Laywell Lamp. But I don't want you to go to Laywell Lamp, okay? Because you always go to get to the picture page. You always go to Laywell's Lamp, and then you go over to the right-hand side. Let me see, bring it up here just a minute. Laywell's Lamp, and you always go over here to the side and hit Laywell Front Page from this link, and it takes you to Laywell Front Page. See, there I am. Ain't I handsome? Okay, let's go back to Laywell Front Page. I don't want you to do that yet. Okay? I want you to go up here to your browser. No, wait a minute. Let's go back here. Oh, let's go back. Okay. So when you first open it up, and you want to go to Laywell Front Page to see the pictures, up here in the top, in the browser, I want you to type in, I want you to put in the address for Laywell Front Page, okay? And I want you then click go or hit enter on the keyboard and see if you can bring it up that way. Also, go back to Laywell Front Page. I mean Laywell's Lamp here, okay? And go over here to like you normally do it, okay? Click the link and bring up Laywell Front Page with pictures and try to put a comment. As you can see down here, there's 3 comments. I did 3 comments on Laywell Front Page and 3 comments on Laywell's Lamp this morning, all by signing in different names. My name, Carlton Laywell, and I did anonymous also, all 3. And they all 6 of them worked. So I don't know what really problem it is. Like I said before, I don't think you're probably going to be able to fix it the way we just did. Alright? Now, let's go back to Internet Explorer. I want you to try this also. Go back to Internet Explorer, turn the Internet Explorer on, and remember I said go to the icon to bring the gear icon and hit internet options just like we did before, okay? And it's the same way. Hit delete just like we did to bring up this secondary menu, but this time we're going to take the check out of the top box, okay? So you take that check out. Out of that top box, it says Preserve Favorites Website Data. And you go down here and hit delete again. Alright? And try it that way. Then close it out just like we did before. And restart your computer like we did before. And see if you can do it. Now there are a few other things we can try. But let's try this first. And I really need to be sitting in front of your computer to run a couple of speed tests, run a couple of error software tests, and a couple of other things. Some of them take only a few seconds. Some of them going to take several hours. The error and the memory test, you can run yourself at night. I'll show you how to do that, but that's for another test. So try it and see if you can comment and get back to me, okay? Bye.